When I was 55, I played a basketball game on a co-ed team for a charity cause. And at that time, I didn't think twice about playing the game. I could have broken an ankle, a leg. I could have gotten injured. And the truth of the matter is, I did get knocked down. This was a co-ed team, and there were guys 2 and 3 times my size. But I had a desire to play that game, and all I wanted to do was get the basketball in my hands. And that's what I'm here to tell you today is don't be afraid to do something. Fill in the blank. Don't be afraid to start a YouTube channel. Create that video. Live your dream. What is it that you really want to do? And you don't care if you get hurt or even you get embarrassed. And sometimes that's the way it is in life. But I want to share with you my results of my YouTube channel for last year in 2025. And it's something that I decided to do to create a channel, and I wasn't afraid of the outcome. Last year was the first year that I tried monetization. And let me give you the facts. Let me tell you exactly what happened. So, out of all of my videos, I had well over 100 videos. There was one that was a breakout video. And that video alone got me over 1,300 subscribers. Yay me, right? But it received 40,000 views. And in addition, that video got 1,400 watch hours. Can you believe it? But overall, here's the facts. Here's some numbers. Here's some numbers of what my channel did last year. Overall, I received over 70,000 views. I got over 2,600 watch hours and over 1,700 subscribers. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it? But not enough for monetization. Yes, the subscribers, but not the watch hours. But here's the saying, don't be afraid of being, as I said, embarrassed or even, I don't know if you want to say humiliated. Um, that's if you are trying to impress someone. And by the way, tell me where you're watching from right now. Where are you watching from? Let me know where in this great country, all over the world, where are you watching from? Here's the deal. In this life, you know, everything's not going to be perfect. All things are not going to line up for you just because you want it to. The way life works is if we're giving value, if we are reaching out to the right people and the right people are reaching back to us, then that's where our greatest amount of success comes from. So here's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to make this short. I'm going to change over my strategy just a little bit to create a little bit more strategy, a little more clarity for my audience. Um, I've been doing weight loss, wellness of your mind and your body and your spirit for seniors. And that video that went viral was the one that's titled 4 Things That I Do to Maintain a Healthy Weight, Lost 30 pounds. So, with that said, I am going to tweak a few things and bring a little more clarity because what else is on my channel is paddleball. I mean, who knew paddleball was going to take off like it did? So I have a number of videos on paddleball, but I want to shift gears just a little bit to make it more clear for the algorithm to find my content and to find you because you are looking for a certain thing. You can also let me know if there's a particular subject or topic that you want to know more of or more about. In that video that went viral, um, micro viral, 40,000 views. Got a lot of people who enjoyed the video. didn't like, it wasn't just the content, it was also the type of the style of the video. And I put a lot into that video, as all of my videos. I put my best foot forward. I will be also adding more playlists. I do have playlists on my channel, but I'll be creating more playlists to make it easier to you to find content that's going to help you with your wellness and your health. As I said, I wasn't going to keep you long for this video, but indeed, I appreciate your following. I appreciate your subscribing, and I appreciate you liking the content, and most of all, making a comment. That's going to step up my game too. That's going to set me apart, and set you apart as well by making a comment, so that other people can see what you're thinking, and so that community can grow. So again, I say thanks for watching. And in the next video, I'll be sharing with you a few more things on how to uh, stay fit in your 50s, 60s, and 70s. Love you much, and Happy New Year.